Using the baker's percentage provided, I've measured out 25 ounces of all-purpose flour, 1.25 ounces of milk powder, 0.6 ounces of salt, and 1.25 ounces of white sugar, and at which I will give a quick whisk. To that, I will make a well and add 6 ounces of warm water with 0.6 ounces of yeast that has bloomed for around 10 minutes. Then I will add the rest of the 10 ounces of warm water and now I will mix until thoroughly combined. To a lightly floured surface, I will knead the dough for around 10 to 15 minutes to promote as much gluten as I can. Meanwhile, I will have the oven preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I will slice an X in the center, and I will put my shortening in there. About 0.75 ounces of soft shortening will do it. I'm doing this just to have no clumps of shortening in the dough. And I will proceed to knead for around another 10 to 15 minutes. Once combined, I will roll them out to around 16.5 ounces each. Then I will divide each ball into thirds, each ball weighing around 5.5 ounces each. Then I will roll each ball out to around 12 to 14 inches long, or 1 or 1.5 inches thick. I will then pinch the edge of the dough and perform the under braid. Then I will have to put an egg wash consisting of an egg white and water over the top and let them rest for 10 minutes. And after those 10 minutes, I will put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. For the cookies, I will start by creaming together 8 ounces of margarine or any type of butter you have around. I will cream at speed number 4 on the stand mixer. Then, with 17 ounces of flour, I will add 0.42 ounces of baking powder with one hand. Please do not try this. After giving it a thorough whisk to the creaming butter, I will add 10 ounces of white sugar, and I will put it into by thirds, just so it all gets creamed together nice and evenly. Once nice and fluffy, I will begin adding 2 of my eggs, each weighing around 1.6 ounces or 3.3 in total. Then I will add 0.15 ounces of vanilla extract and cream together at speed number 4 until thoroughly combined. Then I will add the 17 ounces of flour into the mixture by 1/4 of a cup. I'm just doing this to not make much of a mess. Then to a lightly floured surface and a lightly floured rolling pin, I will begin to roll out the dough until about 1/4 of an inch thick, or as close to as I can get it. Now I have another oven preheated at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will cut the dough out with a cookie cutter. I will place these cookies onto a tray into the freezer for around 5 to 10 minutes just so they can hold their shape. Now that the bread has cooled and chilled for around 10 minutes, they both ended up weighing around 15.5 ounces each. And that's how they look on the inside. A nice thread. After the 10 minutes in the freezer, I will place them at the oven at 375 for around 10 minutes until nice and golden brown. And here's the end result. Thank you.